to another episode of Stay Awesome Van Life. This week we have a real treat for you, a 35-minute van build. That's right, you heard it right, a prefab van build that takes 35 minutes. So get your Speedy Gonzales hat on and listen and learn and enjoy this show, because this one's going to be the answer to everyone's prayers. Stay awesome.
Gotta stay awesome. Gotta stay awesome.
Oh well, stay awesome. Here's the Caravan Expo backdrop. It's the Metricon Stadium on the Gold Coast. Absolutely beautiful. So this is the venue today for the Caravan Camping Expo on the Gold Coast in sunny Queensland, Australia. Enjoy.
Stay awesome!
Okay. Now I'm just visiting Vanlife DIY Fitouts. Just speak with this man here. Hal, what's the shortest period you can build a van in?
In 1 hour.
1 hour? How's that?
Hour.
1 hour?
Yeah.
That's your record?
No, our record's like about 35 minutes.
35 minutes to build a van out. Have a look at this, all prefab, ready to go.
Yeah.
And that's your cooler box over there, is that right?
Yeah, this is the
Yeah.
box, yeah.
And these
That
are,
goes with the kitchen that's over here.
and that's obviously a bed base over there.
Yeah, that's the bed base over there.
Yeah.
That's a simple life starter. That
Yep.
one. Yeah. So it's got like a drawer that pulls out there, a bit of storage drawer, and your kitchen over there.
Geez, all laminated. What's the material under here? Like
It's melamine.
melamine, okay, yeah. But you can get that waterproof if you want to anyway.
No, it
yeah.
is already. We
Yeah,
actually
yeah.
have, like, resin injected.
Oh, with the
Yeah,
green injection, yeah.
Yeah, so we've got it all done so it's all water resistant.
That's brilliant, eh?
Yeah.
Gee. So I've noticed you're real popular today.
Yeah, I know, we have been pretty cool.
You're getting inundated, aren't you?
Yeah, it's been good.
And where are you guys based in?
Based in Newcastle.
Newcastle, okay.
This is Dan, my business
Hey
partner.
Dan, do you mind being on film, mate?
No, not at all.
Oh,
mate.
good. Here's Dan.
How are you?
Good. He's not going to boot me out like the other bloke.
Who booted you out?
Oh, guy with the tea-leaf caravans, he come in and said, "What are you doing?" I said, "Oh, I'm just filming your vans." Get out of here.
Wow.
Okay. You're at an expo.
Okay.
He's at an expo.
Yeah. He's in
So-
the wrong place.
So Dan, tell us your story about your company. And
Oh, beautiful. So essentially, like me and my business partner Jeff, we come from a coaching and
Yeah.
retreats, peak performance place.
Yeah.
So one of the main things is I fitted out my own van in order to just simplify life, connect
Yeah.
to nature, connect with myself, which is something that I think we all
and
need,
what
you
sort
know,
of
at the
van
moment.
was that?
Toyota Hiace.
Oh,
all
okay,
wheelbase.
yeah.
Came up with a model called the City Surfer. That was the OG model that we designed. So
Yep.
enough room to stash your boards under there, kitchen out the side, enough for a fridge, enough just to, jump in and take off whenever you want it and be all set up.
Gee, I'll tell you, you've got some really good prefab here, haven't you?
Yeah.
It's bloody brilliant. Really nicely finished too. Yeah. So you started off in the Toyota.
Yeah, Toyota, and then
Yeah.
we just eventually created models to suit any van, whether you've got long wheelbase, short wheelbase, high roof, low roof, and then we basically just delivered it. So it's all modular, so we can deliver it
Yep.
on a pallet. Yeah, it takes about an hour to an hour and a half to fit it in.
So you do sprinters, masters,
Yeah.
the whole
Yeah,
works.
especially
Gee.
we get a lot of traction from especially like the tradie type vans as well. So
Yeah.
just people that want to sort of just have something they can jump in and take off,
Have a
ready
sleep.
to go. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I've noticed a few musos have started using them.
Yeah, for sure. Well,
Yeah.
we get a lot of people like that. 'Cause,
Yeah.
they can put all their stuff there, sleep wherever they want.
Go to the gig and then not spend money on
Have a few-
accommodation.
Have a couple of amber treats.
So what the cost to do a build out, just from the
Yeah.
20-minute model all the way
You
through
sort of look at about 2,800 to about 4,200.
2,800, 4,200, your bees
That's
knees.
the biggest model.
Yeah.
The most drawers in the storage.
Yeah, and that's self-built or that's,
So we have them all partially assembled
Yeah.
in boxes, and you just connect them together.
gee, it makes
comes
life a
on
lot
the top
easier,
like
doesn't it?
The pellet up the back is what it comes on that pellet.
Oh, it comes on that pallet.
Yeah.
Gee, the guys are going to love this because
Yeah.
the channel Vanlife, Stay Awesome Vanlife, is about self-builds.
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah, so we do that. We have a little bit of comedy involved too.
Perfect.
And we get everyone to do Stay Awesome.
Yeah.
But you got to do it like over the top.
Yeah.
You ready?
Stay awesome!
Fantastic. So it's really wonderful meeting the guys here from Vanlife DIY Fit Out, sorry. And that's brilliant business.
Thank you.
Perfect
Thank you.
timing, especially in
Yeah.
COVID.
Isn't it?
Have you noticed in COVID this genre has exploded?
Yeah,
For
100%.
sure.
Yeah.
It's the perfect environment for it.
Yeah,
It was all, meant to be.
But we just made it so that people didn't have to wait like 6 months for a custom fit and pay $10,000. You can pay
Yeah.
like $3,500 to be on the road in a couple of hours.
So I've got guys that watch us from the United States.
Yeah.
Is
We
you
ship
ship?
in 26 countries.
Really? So so it's global. So
So we're just in the process of launching globally. So.
oh, brilliant. Oh well, I'm going to make sure this use it the star of my show. Okay. Thank you heaps for that.
Pleasure, man.
Thanks.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks. Well,
Hey, you.
viewers, I hope
Stay
you
awesome.
enjoyed that episode.
Gotta stay
It was absolutely fantastic.
Man.
I have more interviews from the Gold Coast
Hey, you.
Caravan
Stay
Expo
awesome.
coming up
Gotta stay
shortly.
awesome.
But it was really nice to meet the guys at Vanlife DIY Fitouts. Unbelievable.
Hey, you, stay awesome. Gotta stay awesome with the van life. Hey, you, stay awesome. Gotta stay awesome with the van life. Hey, my name is Gary, and I'm a man.